This is the advanced setting. Basic setting is this. You can select the language, Chinese or English, date, time, hour. You can set these parameters. Advanced settings, you can select the password. You can change the password as per your requirement. If you want any attendant not to use it, then you can set a password for the same. By default it will be 6 times 0. And you can select the attachments like ED. You're selecting ED is particularly for the male private parts. You can select the bars. Frequency, current and pre-selection, number of times, work time, total time. Then you can press the start button, and once you press the start button in the handle, the pneumatic effect will come. Machine will start. You can select the parameter. It goes up to 10 bar. So I won't be able to tolerate this much of pressure. I'm switching it off with the help of this. And one more thing, you can also select the parameter with the help of this knob. It's kind of a mouse. You can go with this. It's also a touch button, and you can select with this also. If you don't want to use touch, you can use this also. This handle goes like this, and it will come like this. So when I took it out, there was a pneumatic compression or air inside it. So you need to match the handles like red button, red dots, and then press it. This is gel, this is brushes and all attachments just to clean the heads of the handle. This is handle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attachments. Spare bullets. Come with a suitcase. A handle to hold the handles. And this is the carry case of the same.